All right, so for this algorithm, they want us to get rid of this dash and the space. So basically, hello world 2025, like separate. So in order to do that, we need to have an array of separators. It could be something like, I mean, if they don't want us to have a dash and also, let's say a start or any other symbol here, we could do the same. So in this case, I'm going to have an array of dash and then the plus sign for this scenario. I know I change it from here, but I could also have a space. Okay, so in order to do that, it's better to work with an array of characters. So I'm going to define this as a separator, and that's going to be equal to, and I'm going to have here space, and then I want to have, because it's a character, we could have single quotation marks. These are going to be my two separators here, so space and the dash. I mean, if you want to avoid some confusion here, so you could have this way. All right, perfect. So now we have something to separate this. The other part here is to have a string array. So why are we having a string array here? So I'm going to say this is a result. I'm going to have my input, which is what I want to change here. And then I'm going to have a split, which is one of the methods that I can use here for this string array. And then I'm going to pass my separator. Okay, so perfect. So let's go over here again. And I'm going to have this result splitting by dash and space. Okay, let's test this part now. So I could say something like, for each string s in results, so I'm going to print this. This split method could also have another argument here, and I'm going to have it 3 because we have 3 different words here, so I can have them in separate lines. And let's see if this works. So I shouldn't have any dash or any space. So hello world 2025. So that's basically the way that you should work with this. So try to have characters, because this is a character and space is going to be another characters. And let's pretend that we also have a plus somewhere here. So we're going to add this plus, and then this input now is longer, right? But it's going to keep the same separators, and this other one now. Let's try to do a 4 here. Let's try to run this. And we're gonna see that the plus sign is also gone. So that's basically a good way to work with this when you have characters, and then you could basically have an array of strings, split them, and then iterate. All right, that's everything for today.